Welcome to today's creative journey. Crafting is more than just making beautiful objects. It's about mindfulness, relaxation, and finding joy in simple materials, whether it's button, wooden, sticks, pop stick, jute rope, or colorful paper, burlap craft, many things, Dollar Tree. Every little piece can be transformed into something truly magical. In this slideshow, we will explore the beauty of handmade crafts, discover their benefits, and see how creativity can bring both happiness and peace into our lives. And benefits of crafting, and most of the benefits of recycling, we told you as before videos. So, crafting has countless benefits. It reduces, first of all, a big thing is it reduces stress and anxiety by keeping your mind engaged. It improves focus and concentration, a true practice of mindfulness. Crafting encourages problem solving and boosts imagination. Handmade items save money and are eco friendly, reusing simple materials, and most importantly, crafting gives us a sense of achievement. When we create something beautiful with our own hands, imagine taking small buttons and turning them into flower, and reusing popsicle sticks and design a little house. Even jute rope, when wrapped carefully, can become rustic wall hanging. These crafts not only decorate your home but also tell a story of patience, love, and creativity. Now let's look at the magic of button crafts. Buttons are small, but they are carry endless possibility by using bullet buttons, burlap buttons, or colorful round ones. We can design wall art, decorate photos frame, or create handmade jewelry. Each button can become a petal in a flower, a star in the sky, or even part of a festive decoration. Button craft is budget friendly, easy to make, and fun for children and adults alike. It's also a mindful activity, choosing colors, arranging shapes, and gluing them carefully. The process itself becomes as enjoyable as the final result. So, hope you enjoying these ideas and hope you can understand what I'm talking about. Button craft is budget friendly, easy to make, and fun for children and adults alike. It's also a mindful activity, choosing colors, arranging shapes, and gluing them carefully. The process itself becomes as enjoyable and final result. Beyond buttons, there are so many crafts to enjoy, like jute craft, wooden crafts, cork crafts, recycled crafts, festive crafts. Let's talk about jute craft. Jute craft, rustic wall hanging, bottle wraps, and eco-friendly decor. Wooden craft, popsicle stick houses, ornaments and frames. Cork craftics, making something new like trees and ornaments. Recycled crafting, use bottles, paper rolls, or cork to create new designs. And festive craft is wreath, ornament, and decoration for holidays. Each type of brings its own charm. Jute gives a natural and earthy feel, while wooden popsicle sticks bring playful creativity. Recycling teaches us sustainability, and festive crafts bring families together in joy and celebration. So, crafting is not just an activity, it's a healthy lifestyle. It helps us to connect with nature, reuse material, and express creativity. Every small button, every piece of jute rope, every popsicle stick can become a part of masterpiece. As you watch this slideshow, let each image inspire you. Maybe you will pick up some buttons lying around or a piece of rope and start creating something beautiful. Today, remember, the greatest benefits of crafting is not the object you make, but the peace and happiness it brings along the way. So, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining us and be a part of this video. Thank you so much for this creative journey. Keep crafting, keep smiling, and let your imagination shine through every handmade piece. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Keep crafting in this holiday season. Keep making something new and beautiful. Hope you're enjoying these designs and ideas. These designs are most beautiful and most creative, beautiful ideas. God bless you all. Take care.